what if you could hold on to your favorite memories forever? And along with those memories, treasure your loved ones too? Well, hi my fellow creatives, I'm Madhura and welcome to Creative Glumeria. In today's video, I'm crafting a memory box that does just that. Join me as I turn cherished moments into something you can treasure forever. Memories may fade, but today we are going to make them last forever. This memory box is inspired by some of the best memories of my life. Those spent at my paternal grandparents' home in my native town. We used to go there every year to celebrate Dussehra. The vibe there was quite unlike anything in the city. The festival preps were something everyone contributed to. They would usually start quite early with the food and decorations, rearranging the seating in the house, kind of like setting the stage for something big. But for us kids, the main event was making the Ravan effigy. And let me tell you, we took it quite seriously. Knowing it symbolized the victory of good over evil, celebrating the day Lord Ram defeated Ravan. We would then head out for Simol Langan, a beautiful tradition of going beyond the town limits before sunset to gather young rice saplings, which could also be given as sona or gold. Many in the town would come home to greet my grandparents, and we would make rounds to all the relatives and neighbors as well, giving them sona, seeking blessings and collecting, you guessed it, chocolates. At many homes, I had also seen Shastra Puja, which is worshipping and offering gratitude to weapons. This tradition has taken a slightly different form now. We used to do puja of all our vehicles, my uncle and aunt being doctors, of their tools in their hospitals, and I of all my dear household appliances here that make our lives easy and comfortable. There was a charm in celebrating this festival in my native town, a sense of community and joy that was just unmatched. It was right after the last day of Navratri, so we would go see the stunning creative pandals at the town centre. By the end of the day, we were exhausted but so content, counting our blessings and chocolates while enjoying the delicious food. It's easily my second favorite festival, hands down. I haven't been able to spend Dussehra in my native town since 2020. And honestly, it's hard to imagine, especially after losing both my grandparents this May. But you know what? Life goes on, and it's up to us to cherish their memories and carry some things forward. Creating this memory box is my way of honoring those beautiful times and keeping their memory alive. And here's what you can do. You can easily recreate this as a gift box for someone special. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, friendship day and any other occasion. You can sketch, doodle or use photographs. The possibilities are endless. Recreate something that's close to your heart and let those memories warm you and your loved ones from the inside out. And when you do, share it with me. I'd love to see and hear your stories too.